Okay, here's just a real quick. I had to take it apart several times before I figured it out. Okay, so you've got your shorter board, and then it's going straight across, not on top. It's going in this way, going in that way, and the middle board also. And I will tell you, it's easier to do the middle board first, and then do that one. And the same for this one, middle and top, and you see how it's this way. This is not on top here, okay? It's very sturdy. And then what's going to happen is these, if you can kind of tell, they're not going to be that low. They're going to be raised up about to where the middle board is, okay? It's just not on yet. But you will be putting these where the middle board is. The same thing on the inside, not around, on the inside. And then what we're going to use, and there'll be one in the front, or one in the back, and one in the front. And then probably one across the top. I have 4. And then maybe one right here in the middle. And then we'll put the ones on that'll extend up, and the plywood across, that'll be the seat back. And these L brackets are going to attach just like that to the middle, okay? Here, in 4 places, or 8. I bought 8. So you want this as sturdy as possible, because then you're going to put roofing joists inside the van where there's bolts coming up, and the bottom will fit right inside the roofing joist, and you will bolt it in. And then you'll have about 1/2 inch gap once you put your board on here and your stand-up legs, and then probably another board across. So you'll have two 2x4s across. So you're basically making a bench with a back, and then the seat belts, which will be bolted to the back of the floor of the van, which I still have that. Those things are still in the van on the floor. They will come up through that teeny tiny 1/2 inch gap through the back. And it's just enough to keep them from falling backwards. And that's going to be your van seat. It's just for running around town. Couple blocks here, couple blocks there. It's not for going on the freeway. All right, thanks. I hope to inspire you to try these things and keep working on them. Even if you have to take it apart. I had to take it apart a couple times and redo it. And I will make another video once I have all the 2x4s, the 48 inches on.